Hey guys, my name is Dustin with ClicksGeek, and today we're going to review another Google Ads case study for a plumbing client. Before we get started, if you're not subscribed to the channel already, make sure that you are so you don't miss all the great case studies and Google Ads training that we drop in here daily for you. So yeah, let's dive into this campaign. On this one, we're focused on not only just plumbing repair and help, but we're also focused on water heater um, like replacement and repair. So this certain specific campaign is running at $166 per day budget. Our total clicks for this 30-day period is 129 clicks. Conversion rate is 16.28%, with a total of 21 conversions for the month and an acquisition cost of $146 and a total cost of $3,065 for the month. So pretty good. On this specific campaign, we're running both calls and lead gen form. So on the lead gen form, the consumer just goes to the web page, they fill out their name, email, and then what they're looking for, and then the client gets back to them from that. And also on the call side, there is a just touch to call, like from the mobile device, or you can pick up the phone and dial the number, and all that is set up to where it tracks right back to the campaign so that we're able to track the return on that. So let's dive into the ad groups. This gives you an idea of what we're focused on as far as different subjects. So drain cleaning, water heater repair, tankless water heater replacement, water heater install, water heater repair, Las Vegas. So this kind of gives you some ideas as far as what we're focused on in grouping our keywords. And on this specific campaign, we currently have a target CPA of $185. So we're under that, so that's good. Let's dive into the keywords real quick. Keywords are very focused here, intent-based. We're using both phrase match and exact match on that, so we can get high quality clicks for exactly what the consumer is searching for. So as you can see here, drain cleaning phrase match, water heater repair, hot water heater replacement, sewers repair, hot or water heater installation, and this just gives you some idea of what we're searching here, or what we're driving the clicks towards on the keywords for the consumers to be matched up to this campaign. So if this campaign interests you and you do own a plumbing business and you would like to run a successful Google Ads campaign like this one, reach out to us through the application link in the description below. Our team can clone this campaign for your business and launch it for you in as little as 24 to 48 hours. So that's all I have for today. Please have a great day, and we'll see you soon.